Can Cardano will make you rich and in June, my brother? Absolutely very good question. All holder try to understand after this prediction video. Exactly, you understand to can really they will make you rich, man. And this month, let's see, my brother. Kindly before I get started this brand video, I have one request to kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So first of all, my friend, you can see here first of all the last 1 hour update is on the screen. You can see here this time they fails down, the price is decreasing, and you can see here the price is 1.72 USD dollar. So if we check out, my friend, the last 1 month chart, then absolutely we understand can what they do. And this month, my brother, you can see here this time the average is going to be positive, and you can see here the resistance line, the green line. You can see here this time if they hit the resistance line, if they up from the resistance line, then absolutely you could see this time the change occur will be positive. Now 20.84% they moving upward depth. Absolutely, my friends, this is you can see here this time you can see here they hit the resistance line, so it's mean to this is in the profit. And if you know, in the crypto market, especially in the May month, all currencies, my friends, fails down very fastly. But you can see here Cardano is one of the unique coin today, just in only moving upward. After a short phase, they also take a very good jump, so exactly they will recover, my friend, the average. So I hope, my friends, that absolutely in the start of this month every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket. Absolutely, I hope, my brother, you can see Cardano is also change occur will be positive, so it's mean Cardano is also go in the moon, my brother. You can see the resistance line, so absolutely the resistance line they are in the positive, just in only after a short phase. Absolutely this time you can see the change occur in positive, so it's mean to they will hit now just a few minutes, my brother. So you need to hold, my brother. I hope in upcoming time Cardano is moving upward, just in only 2x to 10x there is a chance. So kindly holder, you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now, just in only at the end of month. So you need to hold, and yes, my brother, don't sell it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.